Hello, all of you. So last time we have seen what exactly the wildcard and different wildcards available and how to use that wildcard, its meaning. So in this session, we'll see about the some more example on the wildcards. Okay. So last time already we have seen some commonly used wildcards, like for example. So in the shell scripting, mostly utilized wildcards are like star, question mark, and the single range of characters. Okay. So already we have discussed the star indicate the zero or more characters, question mark indicate the single character, and these open close square bracket indicate the a particular single range of characters. Okay, single character from the range. Okay, so single character from the range. What exactly it means? It means that let me take you to the uh, within my directory and let me clear you this point once again. So single character from the range means what? Is suppose as last time I told you, suppose I want to find out the uh, file which are within a range 0 to 9. So this wildcard meaning is what? This will match with any of the character from 0 to 9. Any of the character in the sense any single character from 0 to 9. Okay. Means what? Suppose in your directory there is a file 1, file 2, file 0, file 3, 8, 9. So it will match with all the files from file 0 to 9. Okay. So that is the meaning of single character from range. Okay. So if I press enter, you can see it has matched with file 1, 2, 3. 9. There is a no file 0. That's why we are not get display here. But it has shown file 1 to file 9. So it will match with any single character from this range. So you can see it has matched with the 1, it has matched with the file 2, file 3, file 4 like this. Okay. So after the file in your directory, if there is a single character 1, it will match with this pattern. Like 2 has matched, 3 has matched like this. Okay. So only allowed range is 0 to 9. Okay. So it will not match with the multiple characters. What it means? Suppose I give here 10. Now you must be thinking that we should get the display the result as a file 10 also. Now in our wildcard there is a file 10 is also there, but it will not get display. Okay, file 10, file 10. Five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. So file 10 is there, but it will not match with the file 10. Let's see. You can see it has matched with, it has shown the result as a file 1 only. Why it has not matched with the file 10? Because as I said, the allowed range is only between 0 to 9, only between the 0 to 9. Okay. And this, what exactly this wildcard says, the single character from this range. Now, this is the double character. File 10. If you see the file 10, here you can see after the file there is a 1 and 0, means multiple characters are there. What exactly this wildcard says? It will match with only the single characters. And that is the reason you have not got the result here as a file 10, because file 10 is a multiple character file. Okay, multi-character in the sense there is a 1 and 0. Like this, there are the two characters. Understood? So that is the meaning of this single range of characters. Okay. Then, as I said, the commonly used wildcards are there. Like we have here, star. Regarding star, already I told you. Okay, listing of all files starting with the name, file, and star. Now we want to find the files. Okay, which are having. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, suppose you want to find. Okay, suppose you want to find the files which are having each four characters of file, and you don't care about what is after the file. Okay, but you want to list out all the files which is having their first four characters as a file. So you can do it using the file star. Here star is your wildcard. What it means? Zero or more character. So any characters from 0 to 9, from A to Z, whatever it will be there after the file, all that file will get displayed. As you can see here, all the files are listed. Okay, so that is the wildcard star. Okay, then suppose you want to list all the files which is having the .sh extension, that also you will get. Now let me go to the another directory where there are the sh file extension are there. So lsl.sh. Okay, but here in the home there is a no file. In the home we don't have. Yeah, let's see. We have the yes, we have the .sh file. Okay, so what we have got display nothing. Okay, sorry. What we have to find out all the files which are having the .sh. So star.sh. So you can see these are the file with star.sh. Okay. Then if you want to remove all the files starting with the name file. Now let me go to the wildcard. Now here, let me close this, and so we are in the wildcard directory. Let me clear. Okay, suppose what we want to remove all the files starting with the name file. Now, if you go by manually in this directory and try to remove the file one by one, which are starting with the file, then it will be very time consuming task. So then what you can do? So simply we can use the rm command there. Okay, like simply we can use the rm command, and you can remove the files which are starting character as a file, and after that you don't care whatever it may there, whatever whatever other characters are there. So if you just press enter, you can see all the files from the wildcard directory must have been removed. Okay, let's see. You can see here only the files which are not having the file first characters are being there. Okay, so that is the use of this star wildcard. So as I said, you can use this wildcard with any other commands. Okay. Then this already we have studied creating the 1 to 10 files in the one go. Okay, this already in the previous lecture, previous session we have studied. Okay. Then suppose next use of question mark also already we have studied last time. Question mark. Okay, this also last time we have studied. So again, suppose if you want to search the file starting with any character but ending with 123. Okay, what you want? Searching the file starting with any character but ending with the 123. Okay, then how you can do it? You can do it. Okay, using the, let's see what command we have that kind of file here. Okay, we don't have that kind of file here. So first we'll create and try to apply the question mark wildcard there. Okay, what we want, searching the file starting with any character but ending with the 123. Okay, ending with the 123. So let's create some files. Touch starting with any character. So starting with, let's say, the file. Okay, and ending with 123. Okay, so ending with 123. So let's see the what file we have got created. File 123. So let's create touch file 123. Okay. So for the sake of understanding what exactly the question mark, the our example searching file starting with any character but ending with the 123. So simply you can mention the command here like lsl. Now starting with any character, any single character. Okay, starting with any character but ending with 123. Okay. Now here, as I said, this single question mark indicate the single character one. But there is a no file which are having the single character and ending with the 123. Now after this, you can see before this 123 there are four characters. So if you want to search this kind of files, you have to give the four question marks here. Okay, now you will get the display. Now you can see you have got the file 123. Okay, so in this way you can make the use of this particular star. Okay, now suppose you want to search the file having third character different only. Okay, what you want to find? The file which is having the third character different only. First two character are same and last character is also the same. Okay, so in order to do that, we have to create the file, such kind of file first. Okay, then we will able to find the particular such kind of files. Okay, so let's create the file, for example, touch, then file, and create the file 126. So now we have the file here where we have created touch file 126. File, oh sorry, you have given the wrong entry here. So file 126 must have been created, file 12, while 1, file 2, file 3 like this. Okay. Now we want to find uh, the file which is having the, now this will also not fit in our category. Okay. So then let's see the home, we have such kind of files. Okay, so regarding the next one, regarding the question mark, regarding this also already we have discussed, but let's see the another some examples. Suppose if you want to search the file starting with any character but ending with 123. Okay, now how will you find such kind of files? Okay, so let's see first we have the such kind of files. If we go to the wildcard and we have the such kind of files which are ending with 123. Yes. Okay. Now what is the question? We want to search the file starting with any character but ending with 123. So simply what we can do here, lsl starting with any character, any single character means question mark but ending with 123. So you can see here we have the A123, B123, C123. Okay, so here these files we have got. display. Okay. Then again, another example, what we have, searching files having third character different one. Okay. So out of the total, whatever the huge number of files, we have to find out the files having the third character different one. Okay, first let's create such files. So let's create the files which are having the third character different. So touch and here, to create the files which are having the third character different. So I will type TE and we want only the third character different here. So here I will give the range here as a to Z, and so here I will give the T again. So let's see which files we have got created. So what we have given the TE. So you can see here, let's instead of T, let's give the another here, suppose A, B. So A, B, A, starting with, so here you can see uh, ABCT, ABDT, ABET. So here in this file, only the third character is different. Now consider this like this, there are the huge number of files. Now we want to find out what? We want to find out the search of file having third character different one. So how we can do it? We can easily do it with the our wildcard. Okay, so our first characters are A, first two characters are A, B. Only third character is different, so we don't know third character, so question mark and T. So you can get the list of all the files which are having the third character different only within some fraction of second. Okay, so that is the power of what we can say the wildcards. Okay. Now again, suppose you want to find the file having the four characters in its name, that already last time also I have shown you. We, uh, so you can see these are the files which are having the four characters in its name. So two characters in its name, no such kind of files. Okay, five characters. Also, there are this number of files which are having the five characters in its name. Okay, now let's see the next one. Now next is this square bracket. Okay, searching here. This also we have seen. Which meaning of this is the single range of characters. Okay. So for example, we have to search the file which are starting with the A or B or C, but ending with the 1, 2, 3. Okay. What we have to find? The files which are starting with A or B or C, but ending with the 1, 2, 3. Then how we can do it? So simply ls l, now starting with A or B or C and ending with 1, 2, 3. So like you can see, there are the three files. Now you will not, now meaning of this, as already I told you, it will match with only the single character from this range. Okay. Now single character in the sense it can match with A, as you can see it has matched, or it can match with B, as you can see it has matched, or it can match with C. It will not match with the ABC 1, 2, 3. Now in wildcards we have the ABC 1, 2, 3 also. So let me show you ABC, 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 Control F, ABC. Okay, it is not there. So let us rename this ABC 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see whether it is matching. It should not match because meaning of this is what? Single character from given range. So you can see it is not match and it has not display. So this will match only the single character from the given range. Okay. Then We have the another wildcard, that is cap. Okay, this is being pronounced as a cap. Suppose you have to find the words within a file starting with the R. What you have to find the words within a file which is starting with the R. So you can simply do it. Okay, let's see. First, we have the file here. So we have this file. There are the some character words are there. Now what we have to find? We have to find the words within a file starting with the R. So you can simply do it using the our cat and grep. So cat string dot txt. So this will give cat command output will be given to the grep command, and here we want to find out only the words within that file which are starting with the R. So string one is not there. Sorry, state. So you can see in our file RAM. So it is there is only the one word which is starting with the R. So this is the using the wildcard cap with the grep and cat command. Then again another is the dollar. This dollar is also the one wildcard symbol. So suppose you want to find out the words within a file ending with the AM. So you can simply do it using the wildcard dollar. So simply you have to type the AM, and this will give the all the words within a file which are ending with the AM. So you can see AM, Ram, Sham, Jam, Man. So here in this our file, these are the words. Okay. So likewise, we can use this wildcard with the another different commands also. Now, next regarding the this one, uh, next wildcard, that is a digit. Okay, within a double square bracket. Okay, searching the numericals within a file. Suppose you want to search the numericals within a file. So you can simply use the grep command and wildcard digit and the name of the file. Okay, so let me see. We have the file which are having such kind of contents. So okay, we'll need the file which are having all these things there. Okay, this is the file. Test. Let me rename it as ABC. Okay, abc.txt. So we want to find the numericals within a file. Okay, so we can use the digit wildcard with the grep command here. So grep, then these symbols we have already used with the grep command. So it will extract or will give you the matching things within that particular file only. So grep eo and then our wildcard symbol. So suppose you want to find the digits from that particular file only. So we want to find one or more than one digit should get matched. That's why I have written plus here, and name of our file abc.txt. ABC, oh sorry, we should get out of this directory. Okay, now you can see the ABC or ABC file. Okay, it is having the this kind of numericals. If you add other kind of uh, numericals also, so we should get the result. So you can see it has shown us the only the numericals out of that particular file using the digit wildcards. Okay. So here then we have the another commonly used wildcard, that is the upper. Okay, suppose you want to find the uppercase letters within your file. Okay, what? Only the uppercase letters within your file. So you can simply do it using the upper wildcard. You can see. Okay, so these are the uppercase letters within your uppercase letters or words within a file. If you don't give your the plus, okay, this living word you will not able to see. You will able to see the separate letters. You can see. So meaning of plus here is what? Their meaning of plus is what? One or more characters. What? One or more characters. There can be a uppercase characters where it can be a combined words, where combined words in the sense one or more characters. So if there is a in your file one or more characters which are uppercase, then you will get the this result. So that's why we give you the plus. Okay, if you don't give the plus, it will not show you the combined word. It will show you the separate individual letters. Okay. Then we have the another wildcard character symbol, that is a lower. So if you want to find the lowercase characters words within your file, that you can simply do it using the lower. So you can see these are the lower characters words within your file. Okay. So if you don't give the plus here, it will show you the individual letters. If you want to get the combined letters which are forming the words, then you have to do the plus. Meaning of the plus is nothing but one or more characters. Okay. Give the lowercase character which are one or more characters are there. Okay. So in the word, you can see word forms with the help of the one or more characters. Okay. So in order to match that things, we have to give the plus after this pattern. Okay. Then another wildcard entries we have. Let's see which are that. Then we have the alpha. Means if you want to get only the alphabetical characters out of your file, that simply you can get using the alpha symbol, alpha keyword. So you can see all the alphabeticals will be get displayed. Okay, then if you want to get the alphanumerics, means alphabeticals plus numeric, that also you can get simply using the another wildcard entry, that is ALNum. Okay, so here you get the alphabet also as well as the numerics. Okay, then so you can say this is the alphabet plus numerics. Okay, and these are the alphabets, these are the numerics. Okay, then another wildcard character, we have the space. Suppose if you want to find out the space within your file, so you can simply use the wildcard character space there. Okay, here space. So we will display the space only. So we can see only the spaces are displayed. So then we can use the space wildcard character in the different ways, like removing the space within a file. Okay, we can use the wildcard character to remove the space within a file. Okay, so for that we can use the cat command, cat, and what is name of our file, abc.txt. So output of this tag cat command will go to the tr command, trd, and what we want to remove space. Okay, meaning of the dash d, deleting the space. Okay, so you can see the spaces are being removed out of your file. Our abc.txt, abc.txt, txt, and if you run this command, the space wildcard, all the spaces will get removed. Okay. Then so we can have the one assignment here to search the file having at least one numeric in its name. Okay, to find out the file which are having at least one numeric in it. Okay, so you can do it using this simply command lsl, the file having one at least one numeric in it. So you can see the file should have the at least one numerics. What command we ran? lsl, okay. Okay, let's go to this wildcard directory and let's apply this command here. lsl star 02. So you can see the files which are having at least one numeric are got displayed. Means initially there can be a meaning of this star is what? Initially there can be any character like A, ABC. After that, any character from 0 to 9, that all the files we have displayed. If you want the files which are having any character at initial position, but in between you want the numerics, and at last also you want any character, such kind of files you can find using this command star single range of character 0 to 9 and star. So you can see we have that kind of files also, like starting with any character means A to Z, and then after that we have 0 to 9, any character from 0 to 9. Okay, and ending with, now we don't have such kind of file, so let's create some one file like this. Give for example rename xyz and again qwer. Okay, now this particular command, this particular wildcard will give you the files which are starting with any character in the sense any character from 0 to 9 or A to Z. After that there can be any character between 0 to 9, and that file can end with any character from 0 to 9 or from A to Z. Okay, so let's see. So we can have, okay, so now we have got this display. Now these files are also got display because star indicates 0 or more characters. Star indicates 0 or more characters. That's why we have got the file where the which are matching with this pattern. Okay, as well as the files which are matching with this whole pattern. Okay, so this XYZ 1, 2, 3, 4, this has matched with the whole pattern also. Okay, whole pattern in the sense after 0 to 9 there can be there is a star which where the star indicates 0 or more characters. So 0 or more character in the sense there can be after this 0 to 9 range of characters there can be another characters also. So here this part, so this part has satisfied you. Okay, so in this way we can use the wildcard entries to write the scripting in more logical way. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this part. So if you have any doubt, you can reach to me. Okay, so thanks all of you.